Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix PayPal not letting you transfer money. So first thing that you're going to do is you're going to check whether your account has a limitation or restriction because PayPal will block transfers if there are unresolved issues like identity verification, policy violations, or holds or reserves. So you can usually just see it right here. So if you have a problem with your account, you can just see a notification pop up right here and then you'll be able to see what your problem is. Now another thing is you have to ensure that your bank account or your debit card are linked and verified properly. So you can do that by clicking on the wallet right here, and then you're going to head over to wallet at the top of your screen, and then from there you're going to head over to your banks and cards and make sure that they're all connected. Now you're also going to check if there are funds on hold or reserves placed common for recent large deposits. You can also just clear your browser or cache, ensure that people app is updated, and try a different device or network. So you can head over to your app store, and if it still says update, you're going to click on that, but if it says open, then that means that your PayPal account is already updated. Now if the issue persists, you can just contact PayPal support and check if your account is flagged for unusual activity. So for long-term smooth transfers, just keep your account in good standing, make sure that there are no disputes, no policy violations, and then verify your identity fully when prompted and avoid frequent large transfers that could trigger a review. And that's it. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.